User management. View our system allow you to view and manage admin efficiently. Profile management. Admin can view and their profile and change their password easily. Supplier management. Manage and view all supplier in one place. Customer management. View all customer and track credit and paid customer and generate detailed customer reports. Unit management. View and manage all measurement unit seamlessly. Category management. Organize and manage product categories with each. Product management. View and manage all products in the system. Purchase management. Track all purchases, approve them, and generate daily purchase report. Invoice management. View, approve, and print invoice also. Generate daily invoice report effortlessly. Stock management. Monitor stock level and generate supplier or product wise stock reports. This is complete POS system designed for smooth management of user, supplier, customer, purchase, and more perfect for small businesses of all sizes. With of all sizes. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to contact me if you are looking for a customized POS or inventory systems.